Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE 3 and I'm gonna show you how to take screenshots on this watch. First thing we need to do is to enable the option to take screenshots, and to do it we need to open the menu on our watch. So let's press the crown button. Once the menu opens, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called General and tap on it. Here find the option called Screenshots and select it. And then you will see this option and you can enable screenshots by tapping on the switch. And once the switch is ticked on, screenshots are enabled and we can take them now. So let's go to the screen we want to capture. I don't know, for example, let's open the maps. Okay. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press the crown button and the lower button together. You will see the flash on the screen, and also if you have the sound enabled, you will hear the shutter sound basically. And once you're done taking your screenshots, you can check them on the iPhone that is paired with your watch. You can go to the Photos app, and here in the Photos app you can open the, for example, media types, and then tap on screenshots, and you should see the screenshots from your watch right here. Okay, and that's how you take screenshots on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.